We got to Fortis Hospital, Bangor, on the 29th of May. And as soon as we arrived, they started with all her lab work. They told us that they would start with her lab work, and they started. After all, we were told that everything was fine, and they commenced treatment immediately. Dr. Rajakumar and his team, they are such a wonderful people, and they want to thank NMPC because without them, we wouldn't have known that there is a hospital known as Fortis Hospital, Bangor, but God used them. And today, my daughter is made whole by the grace of God. And my prayer is that God will continue to use them. God will continue to inspire them with more wisdom. God will continue to help them even to be the world's best hospital in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you, Fortis Hospital. We are grateful. We cannot, even the cleaners, they are such wonderful people. All of them, everyone is up and due. Is it in terms of feeding? For that 10 days we spent in the hospital, I'm so happy. Here is my daughter. She's well now. Thank you so much. We are grateful. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Rajakumar Deshpande, neurosurgeon at Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Road, and Director of Brain and Spine Surgery. This is regarding Susan. Susan is a young girl who came with a diagnosis of scoliosis, and with that we evaluated her after she came to our hospital. We found that she required surgery for her scoliosis, and we explained to her and the family the need for the surgery. And they were very keen to get her back straight. So I discussed with them the possibilities of how much we can do and how much correction it will be. Susan underwent surgery. It was an 8-hour-long surgery. We put multiple screws and 2 long rods in her back. And following surgery, she did very well. She had very little pain, and we were able to mobilize her very soon. Now she has grown about, I think, 4 inches in height, and her back is straight. She's doing very well, and as a doctor, I wish her all the best.